This is how to download Affinity by Canva. So you open your browser, Chrome or whatever browser you prefer, then search for Affinity. You click on the first link. It will get you to the Affinity website by Canva. So you log in with your Canva account. Yes, you should have a Canva account. If you don't have a Canva account, you can create one. So you see, this one is for MacBook and this one is for Windows. So if you are using a Windows system, you can download. If you are using a MacBook, it's free for all students and everything. So that's good. That is the great part about Affinity. It is free. It's not like Adobe that is not free. So this one is free, no subscription, free forever. So you click on download for Windows, and as you can see, our is already downloading. So it's already downloading, and in a few minutes it will be done, and it is done. So when you are done downloading, you go to your downloads and open the file. Click on the file, so it will open. When the file opens, you click on install, and it will begin to install. So this app is actually very great. Like, is very, 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 it can do mostly whatever Photoshop can do. So if you're a Photoshop user and the subscription is too much for you, maybe you're a student, Adobe subscription is too much for you to pay, you can plug into Affinity. You can switch to Affinity. It can basically do most of the things that Photoshop can do. Photoshop and Illustrator. So it's an all-in-one app for logo designs, graphic design, photo editing, name it, you can do it here. So I think we are done with our installation. So then we allow it to open. So the app is opening, the application is opening, and when it's done open, you will see how beautiful this app is. So actually, I've been using Photoshop when I started this creative journey, but now that this one is free, we have to plug in normally. We can't be. So if you are a student like me out there, this is your time to switch to Affinity. It's your time to switch. So when you are done installing, it will take you back to your browser so that you will log in again. So if you have a Canva account to log in, if you don't have, create a Canva account. You don't need any subscription to do that. Just create it and our app is ready to be used. So these are tutorials. If you want to watch tutorials before you can watch, but I think we are not doing that today. So watch tutorials and start creating. I'm gonna start creating immediately. Do well to subscribe and like this video, because more videos like this will be coming in soon. We'll be posting videos like this every week.